Hi everybody, Expert4x here from Expert4x, and in this video I am so excited to let you know about the great performance that we've experienced in our linking service this week. So on your screen you can see our linked account service. This is where you can link your account to successful robot traders and literally copy their trades automatically into your own account. Now you can go and read about this service on this particular page. I'm not going to go through it in detail, but the objective of this video was to show you the performance that we are experiencing on our accounts. So let's have a look at some of the graphs that we supply. So here we are on some of the graphs. There are 5 graphs. This is the last one, and it shows the performance over the last week. And you can see here one of the accounts has produced 106% over the last week, and then these other accounts are not too shabby. 24% a week is an incredible return. Even 12% a week is an incredible return. So we are getting some really great returns on our accounts. And if you are not already a member of this link service, there are 5 easy steps that you can go and have a look at. There's a video that you can go and have a look at and how you can join the service. So let's go and have a look at this 106% return during the week in a little bit more detail. So one of my favorite schedules is this weekly changes in linked trading accounts since listing. So it is important that our accounts continue to perform after they've listed, and this schedule actually monitors the performance after they've been listed on the service. So they have to perform pretty well to be listed, and then we say, okay, well, don't rest on your laurels, you need to perform even better after your listing. And here you can see the performance of these accounts after they have listed. Very good performance. But let's have a look at this week's performance. Here are the actual dollar gains based on a minimum account size that you would use when you join the service, and there's the percentage of gains, and that's where that 106% comes from. But if we look down this list, we will see that there are very few negatives down this list, and when there are negatives, they are very small. So there's a positive of 12, negative of 4, a negative of 12, and we just keep on going. There's a positive of 11, positive of 10, positive of 23, and let's keep on going. And then a positive of 10. Oh, look how small the negatives are. Positive 7. There's a minus 9 there. 24% return. 15, 13, 12, and so on. So the returns we're getting are really good on our linked accounts. In fact, what we do is we go by the number of live accounts linked to these accounts, and we go by the minimum account size that is needed to be linked to any of these accounts, and we can then work out more or less, it's an estimate, how much our linked clients will have gained during the week. And during the last 2 weeks, our clients have generated well over $1 million. So that's potential profit that's on the table there for linked clients. We can't tell for sure, as I say, that is an estimate. And then if we go to the other schedule that is here, it's the list of linkable accounts, and it gives a lot of information. You can look at the success rates, really high success rates, monthly returns, very high monthly returns. And if you want to get more detail about the various accounts, you just click on those particular links given there, and it will take you to an FX Blue analysis of the account. But as I say, I'm quite excited about the performance overall of the service, and the performance of certain of these accounts, and I urge you to go and have a look at this page in a little bit more detail to decide which accounts you want to link to, and also to have a look at the drawdown statistics that are provided on this page for you to have a feel of the risk you're exposing your accounts to. As always, the link to this particular page will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. And hopefully you can see why I am so excited. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.